Mana sise Pirates siyaziyo. Sise Pirates siyaziyo. Hayi change.
Yini uyayisaba?
No, hayi la sozenzela. Hayi sozenzela.
Serious?
Akuna next. Akuna next. Pirates has changed dynamic like many things. The core of the team. Like ngeke ukuthi you are coming in a squad and you are changing the core of the team. Abo Tito bayahamba, orile bavayile. You understand?
So ubona next.
No, akusena next man. The core of the team ayisekho. You understand? So it's like now we are killing the team, yabo. Mova yesabo Tito. Those people they are the foundation ngahlala ngiyangithola. Yeah, mara no manje.
So when kahle you are happy.
Oh no, I'm happy with the current team of Orlando Pirates. I'm happy.
You can't wait.
I can't wait to meet Orlando Pirates.
You can't wait for the derby.
I can't wait for the derby. I can't wait. I can't wait for the derby. I cannot wait. No, I cannot wait. So that's
easy.
If you can check. Badlala nge-TTC. Badlala nge-TTC yabo. Hayi. Sozenzela. Ungitshela ukuthi uHotsitsile engadlula kuMonyane.
Akithi.
KuMonyane? Hayi. Yes, Aviate. La ngelihlephi. Aviator. Hayi ngiyakutshela.
Yakhuphuka yethu.
Manje, yovimbe vimbile uSuper Child. Sonke sikhuphukile.